My name is David. I'm a photographer here in Bali, and things just continue to get worse and worse in Bali with the COVID tragedy. People have absolutely no work. We have no tourists. This island has given so much to myself as well as many other expats and many other people that have visited here. It's time to go ahead and give it back. I've set up a foundation fundraiser, and I've been gifting an image of mine that I've taken of Bali by drone for donations to purchase food. Thus far, it's been 2.5 weeks. Fed 378 families. It's over 1,500 people, and it just continues to go really well. I've been working with the Paklians, the heads of the banjars of each village. The village itself has a number of banjars, which are communities, and they've been able to organize lists of data of elderly and families struggling with children and disabled. Those are the first priorities for us to help, and I've been purchasing large amounts of food. Today we did 32 million rupiah worth of food, which is approximately 2,100 US dollars. We went to 5 different banjar, including individual deliveries to elderlies, and we've given out, it was 130 racks of eggs at 30 each, 1.3 tons of rice, a lot of boxes of noodles, and a lot of oil. My brain doesn't even work anymore because it's just been nonstop every single day. But we're going to continue to do this as strong as we can. The donations seem to be quite consistent thanks to everyone spreading the word and supporting. Every day I'm buying food, I'm setting up more deliveries and distributions with the banjars and the Desa village heads. I've sent numerous friends to their villages in places like Medewi and Karangasem, which are some of the poorest areas in Bali, into remote parts of the jungle to bring people food that the donors have been given money to purchase. And so thank you so very much for all of your support. And I'll continue to do my best to alleviate the situation here as much as possible for the people, and let's hope that we can beat this as soon as possible. Thank you again for all of your support.